Okay, in this video I'm going to share to you about how to make a partial trapezoid skin on commercial building in SketchUp. First of all, we can make the base plane. It's around 29 and 26 in here. Then we can click the surface and push it up around 1 meter in here. Okay, then now we can triple click, right click and make component and just create it. Okay, and after that we can determine about the core building. First we can select the rectangle in here and place, then we can offset it inside around 8 meter, around 8 meter in here. So then we can see about the distance. Maybe we can offset it inside again. So okay, I think that's enough. Then we can erase some unnecessary line over there. Then we can we can push it up until to the position, or maybe we can push up a little bit in here. Then we can triple click and also make group. Then we can determine about the column position and dimension, but this is just for speculation. We can determine the column like this and like this. So then we can push it up and triple click, right click and make component and just create. Then select move, tab control and place. Then we can select move, tab control and place. Okay, then we can select move, tab control, and then we can type 8 meter in here. Then you can type 8 meter in here. Okay, right now we can move this one on this position and move this one on this position, and also that one, and also that one in here. Okay, then now we can select a move, tab control, type 8 meter in here. Okay, then we can select a move, tab control, type 8 meter in here. Okay, now we can expand about the surface and offset it outside around 1.5 meter in here. Then we can push it down here. Okay, then now we can select a move, tab control and place at the position. Then we can move it up, type 4 meter in here. Then we can place. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, I think that's enough. Then we can push the column in here on the position in here, and we can push the core building in here until to the position in here. That's fine. And okay, so this is the basic of the structural system of this building. And then now we can make the envelopes, but we have to move it first in here, and then we can select the rectangle and click to the position and push it down until to the position in here. Okay, then we can push it up around 2.5 meter in here. Okay, then we can triple click, right click and make group. Okay, and erase the top and also the bottom, and triple click and offset it inside around 200 millimeter in here, and push it down here in here. Okay, then we can triple click, then we can select the vertical and select move, tab control and place, type 9/n enter in here. Okay, then we can select a move, tab control and place, type 9/n enter in here. Okay, then we can select move and place it to position. Then we can type we can type 5/n enter in here. Now we can determine about the glazing in here, and so this is the basic shaping. Then now we can make the partial facade trapezoid in here, just like this, and push it to the front and make group, and also that one. Okay, and push it to the front until to the position, and also that one. Okay, then we can place and triple click. Okay, then we can make the line in here to add more trapezoid skin. Okay, and place. Triple click and also make group, and then now we can and push it to the front and triple click and also make group in here. So this is about the trapezoid face. Okay, but now we can make group, and then you can select all and right click and explode all in here. Okay, then we can place the line in here. Okay, then we can select move, type control, and also place it to position. Then we can type 12 / and enter in here. Okay, then now we can select all. Okay, we can make the line in here. Then we can select all. Oh, sorry, we have to push it to the behind in here first. And we can select all and select edit, cut. Okay, exit from the group and enter to the group in here and edit, paste in place in here. Okay, then now we can erase some unnecessary line over there, just like this. And we can erase this line. Okay, we can erase that line in here. Okay. Okay, just like this. So there is a panel. Okay, and then now we can make the another color. We can try to make the another fun color in here, just like this, or we can set up about the saturation over there. Okay, just like this. Okay, then now we can determine about the canopy, or like a drop off area in here. So we can speculate that this is about the drop off area in here. Okay, then we can place and also make group. Then we can select a move, type control, and place the position in here. Okay, then we can select the line and select a move, type control, and type 400. Okay, we can make the trap in here. Okay, we can type 150 again. Okay, push it up 150 and push it up 150 in here. Okay, so that one, and this is about the result. And then now we can add more component. Okay, we can add more component, and the component option in here. Select the component, and we can also select the silhouette people in here, and also in here, to make a representative situation in here. And also we can determine about the tree in here. Okay, and just like this. And then now we can select the glass, the green glass in here. Okay, now we can set up about the shadow as we want in here. Okay, it is for example. Okay, and then we can set up this light, skylight in here. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. You can explore more about the facade design in here, or maybe we can add more line in here can add more like this line and also the another line in here to make it more festive and playful, to make it more playful facade in here on the every single panel in here. Okay, and or maybe we can change the color with using the another material color, but I have to turn off the light, the shadow first. We can also add more color. Okay, we can add material color and set up about the saturation just like this. Okay, okay, then now we can determine. Okay, we can play about the skin in here. Okay, it's really just like this. It's make more unique than before anyway. So then we can also set up about the shadow just like this, and that's one. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. You can explore more about the area, about the lobby, and much more about the skin to make it more detailed, and you can explore about the exercise of 3D modeling of this building. Thank you very much.